So, this is like a vlog, and I don't do these often, but I plan to do a lot. Right now, we are packing for college because I leave a week today. And I need to pack and have a lot to do. So, here's an example. Look at all this stuff. Yes. So, here's the tea. I get 2 suitcases, and they have to be below 50 pounds each. I've been packing and unpacking for like 2 weeks now. Well, maybe 1 week. And it's a struggle trying to get it below and get all the things I want, so we're gonna see what happens. Okay, I definitely need this. It's my favorite bomber jacket in the entire world. So that's gonna come with us. This has to come. We love this. It's actually a dress I'm gonna wear at orientation. Because you gotta be cute. There we go. Ooh, my Burberry shirt. Why wear this over top of my outfit? I think I should wear my Cleveland sweater. Packing to move is the worst. It's like I've done so much and like there's progress, but at the same time there's zero progress. Like, what the heck? So I've been cleaning out my room. No progress, even though it's like I clean for hours and there's just always something that I have to clean still. Like, I don't even have a floor in my room still. I'm still packing, still cleaning. Yeah, I'm excited to leave for school though, so yay! Reevaluating what I'm gonna pack in like my carry-on and my personal item, which is a purse, and yeah, that's what we're at. So I have packed and unpacked like a bajillion times. That's my passport holder. It's really ghetto. It was really ugly, so I lazily drew a unicorn on it and it looks really bad, but whatever. Pencils. Okay, my band-aids, the Hello Kitty. My backpack, I have this. It's filled with all my pictures I want to hang up in my room and important files. I have my beret I made, and it has all my unicorn lights from my dorm room. I'm excited to put these up and attach my pictures to them. My pink DS, just a standard DS. Oh, I need to grab my Pokemon Diamond from downstairs. Dragon Ball Z games. I have Pokemon Diamond. It's my favorite Goku's Pokemon Legacy game. I'm gonna bring that too. That's it for what's going to my carry-on stuff. Today's my last day at work. I work at 12:30. Right now it is 9:55. I'm going to do my makeup probably around 10:30 or 11. I want to curl my hair and stuff because it's my last day. And yeah, I'm going to just clean up around my room a bit more. Sorry, I just woke up, so I look really dead. But anyways, yesterday was my last day at work, and it was really sad. And I walked in, and my tail was covered in balloons. And I also had this bouquet of flowers on it from the staff. And they're real, they're so pretty. And my coworkers are amazing, and they got me gift bags, and they wrote me letters. So unexpected, like, I was shocked. Like, I didn't expect that. I thought it would just be like a normal shift, just with hugs at the end, but no. I had gifts and balloons, and it was really nice, and I'm so grateful. So I just wanted to put that in here if they're watching. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Okay. Stay tuned. Want to put it? So we are at the airport with the crew. And Carla.
We're drinking. I don't know, drinking.
Ooh, that'll be cute for an intro. Figure out how to get out of the airport because their airport's really confusing. I like Toronto's airport better, man. Like, this is weird. Anyways, my sister's calling me. Hey guys, so sorry I didn't really vlog a whole lot. I was mostly just in an airplane all day. I'm at my sister's house now. I'm hanging out here for a week. I already mentioned that. So that's pretty cool. I'm just in her house. Woo. I made it to Vancouver, safe and sound. We went out for food. It was like, some Vietnamese place. It was really good. Yeah. So now I'm in her house, and I'm getting ready for bed. So, okay, the lighting is terrible in here. Anyways, I'm currently editing my vlog. Here you can see we are editing. Whoop, whoop. And yeah, I'm just not sure if I ever filmed an ending or not yesterday. So yeah, thank you guys. Oh, focus. Hello, camera. Thank you to everyone who watched, and thank you to all my friends and family back in Ontario. I love you guys all so much. I can't wait to visit Ontario again to say hi to everyone. But for now, I am in Vancouver for 18 months at least. It's raining, so I'm not sure if I'll ever get used to that. I hate the rain, but whatever. And that's where I'm ending this little travel vlog. And yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye! Also, I'm making like these like Vancouver vloggy things that like all my friends and everyone back home can just like watch it and see what's going on, and